Hello, everyone, and welcome to the very first Engineering Introspective. My name is Jace Sparks, but you may know me as Solo Climb, and we're here with the man, the myth, the legend himself, our API god, Mikheil.
Hi, thanks, Jake. How are you?
Dude, I'm doing amazing. I'm getting to talk to you, and this is a rare gift. This is the first time we're meeting.
Yeah, it's very first time. Nice to see you here.
Yeah. So you've been with us for, a few weeks, months. I'm a little confused on the timeline.
2 months, honestly, 2 months with you.
2 months with us. All right. Well, so are you still excited? Do you still have the same excitement that you had when you first joined?
For sure. Our excited. Well, all this stuff we're doing is to improve our application, our future. So we are doing a whole lot of stuff. So excitement will never end because every day is a challenging one.
Wow, man, you're just inspiring. I'm gonna put like a picture of your face on my wall and put maybe a quote underneath it. Right? This is great. So I know people are, not here to hear us banter. They want to hear more about what engineering's up to. So, with that being said, let's just dive right in. I mean, Kara, update is finally coming to conclusion, and I'm getting a lot of chatter in the chat. People want to know a little bit more about it, and they want to understand what it's like to be finalizing this and what it actually means to have, let's call it the software development kit, the SDK being finalized, and what's that mean for users and potentially developers in the future being able to embed this into this app ecosystem.
So basically what we are constructing is our own SDK. So any developer, any company will be able to use our SDK, integrate to their iOS or Android, use some styling over it, use they will communicate to our Everest API services. They will exchange the authentication, biometrical identification, and the stuff. So the aim of this is to give the possibility and our users to use our own SDKs to their ecosystem and give the ability to configure, change the styling, adjust as they want to match their branding, and publish it to the store.
Wow,
that's the whole aim of the SDK.
Dude, I just realized so often that I'm too close to it. So I'm gonna repeat this back, right? What you're saying is Everest is creating a universal Face ID, right? So when I pull up my iPhone and I log in with my iPhone, it's saying, log in with Face ID. What you're saying right now to me is that you're going to be able to log in into these third-party app experiences as well as our own using your face across any ecosystem.
Yeah, that's the idea of exposing this SDK. Well, it will be supporting both iOS, Android, and the web application. So any third-party company user, developer will be able to include this SDK to their platform, and they are ready to go to use our identification system.
Wow, this is I mean, when we hear about Web 3.0, I mean, this is definitely something that's going to make Web 3.0 more accessible to everyone. So, I mean, wow, I'm sorry. It's my first time talking to you. So just hearing you actually say it, when it was, a vision before and you're making it reality, it's you really are a magician. This is crazy. This is very, very cool. Mikheil, I heard a rumor that, that we have major developments happening in the eKYC realm. And I heard a buzzword that I want to throw out there, multi-regional. Can you toss that out to the community and explain what that is?
So what we are offering with the eKYC upgrade is that we will be allowing different regions to be listed on our eKYC application. So we will give ability to KYC the customer from the different countries. We will be adjusting all the AML checks, all the PEP checks, and regulations regarding the KYC origin of the country. So this is the highest scope of the multi-regional regional support for the eKYC application.
And that's incredible. So it's going to make it easy for third-party companies to come in and just be able to check their users and onboard them into any experience, whether it be DeFi, CeFi. We're just taking that process and reducing friction and doing it very cheaply.
We're making life a lot easier with this stuff. So identity, the first aim to have the identity and then to have the KYC member is the whole idea of having both of them together in the SDK.
Okay. So I don't want this video to run too long. So I'm going to ask you just like a follow-up question, right? With everything that you're seeing and everything you're doing, right? As an app developer coming into the Everest ecosystem, what are possible use cases that you see or that maybe that you want to see like come and build on our stack?
So first of all, the users will be able to like have the authentication with the biometrical side, then the KYC side. Then we're offering the ability to have multi-wallets in their account. So we are giving the chance to add different kind of tokens in our wallet, and they will be managing it, making much easier and cheaper exchange on our platform. So that's the whole purpose of having it on our ecosystem.
Yeah. I'm really excited about the implications for things like deduplication more than anything, right? Like having like a one universal account, like for all of your social media, right? Like being able to say, I am who I say I am, and you don't necessarily need that Twitter verification mark, all right? And it's able to transcend all social media platforms to be able to say that like you are an individual and you're not a fake account, right? Like that's something I really think could be really revolutionary. Another thing that I'm really excited about is like fair drop NFTs, you know, being able to say one identity per drop on an NFT and be able to create these never before able to do integrations and providing just a more fair world for any user. I mean, I think that's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's this identity that we have created offers a lot of possibilities. So right now we just only need to know the person, and we verify it with these KYC checks. So we know that this is the real person and not fake person. So we are verifying first of all them, and afterwards we are giving whole lot of possibilities to use our ecosystem. And on behalf of our ecosystem, they will build upon it a different kind of solutions that we don't even know right now. So we are a middleman between them, which will improve their life.
Oh, wow. Okay, that's the quote that's going to go on my wall right there. We're the middlemen that are here to improve your life. I like that.
Yeah.
All right. Well, Mikheil, I like I said, I don't want to keep you too long. I really appreciate your time and thank you for being the very first engineer on our Engineering Introspective. You, sir, are the API god, and I'm so happy to be working with you and that you're on our team.
Happy to see you again, and hoping for the next upcoming release.
All right, sounds good. Thank you, Mikheil. Appreciate your time.
Thank you. Bye.